Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome back to a brand new social media countdown. I am so sorry I haven't been doing this video for quite a while, but I've been busy, but it's now back. So let's get right into it. Pew! Number 10, Tanto Black's lyrics TripleA. Box cover, so former Magnum Kings and Queens contestant Tanto Black. Twitter. Saw current contestant TripleA and decides that him go step to her and give her some compliments.
Yeah, I like it, Joy. It's real. And when I see you up on TV, me baby man, everybody love you.
By the way, big up Tanto Black's vocabulary.
As I meticulously scrutinizing my TV.
Big word. Oh, and by the way, wicked dirty people, stop with the pressure stroke them. Leave her alone. But the song you were in the side for start sing afterwards.
My neck getting hot, and it's $1 billion shot.
Number 9, Raga a father. Tambourine! So if anybody does know, years no Raga fans them, I pressure him for breed something. So now me can say, job well done. Cause Raga, at fair age, based on current dancehall standards, about 10 pitney should have by now. Oh gosh, pretty little baby. Me just hope so when him get big, him do not hard get Raga big head. Yeah, me can relate, me have it too. Number 8, man in G-string. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay. So this brother got caught in what it seemed to be some female lingerie, underwear, panty, whatever you may her want call it. Just look yasso. And we just have one question. What make him brave, so? Maybe him never remember saying run go out the road in a 1G string. Maybe all them boxers then did dirty and him did just have to go out the road and him drag on him sister own. Numero 7. The schoolgirl, taxi man, and the wife. Norman Burritos, the one head up on the next level. So apparently one woman, here say her man, one taxi driver, I give her bun with her schoolers. And she hard did not hard does nothing better than for go lay wait him at the bus stop. And the schoolers decides that she not give up for her front seat. Box cover! Next thing, wife is start to haul her out of the car. The taxi man all move off the car and nearly lick down the wife. In her head, the schoolgirl did have to jump out of the man taxi and go in a new one. The wifey friend and the man end up in a quarrel now and so what me. Ratchet, I tell ya. Number 6, broke it down, papas. Me don't really know what to say about this. Just watch. A proper clash of two all foot them in a man. No sir, I'll smoker. Then again, the song the infectious still, me not gonna lie. All of the Shakira belly roll. No. Burritos on the come phone and uncle them. Come phone on rum head grandfather. Are your grandfather this? And now for the random video of the week. Number 5, Shaggy and Jimmy Fallon. So Jimmy's announcer Higgins challenged Shaggy to a lyrical battle on the Late Show. But now like people may feel a little way when Jimmy kept on referring to Shaggy as a rapper.
Rap battle to find out who's the better Shaggy, Higgins or Shaggy the rapper.
Higgins sound like some alien farm mutated parody platypus.
Mr. Bombastic, so fantastic.
But now like what him go on good, they can't give me one snap. And in the end, Shaggy won. Up.
Even got her in the shower. It wasn't me. She even caught me on camera. It wasn't us.
Number 4, Stush Nyamin. Big up all the girls that know often name like Aina but can go and stush us when them man are their own. So this lady called Olivet Smelly do a video outline how she eat before and after our man left the table.
And you know, some guys expect you to eat a certain way to be attractive. That's why I don't eat in public. So most guys would want you to eat, you know, properly. They would say properly. In God, no. What? God, no. And the man there so long I look. Me if you pick like when mosquito bite. Please. Try it before him come. If you want to eat in peace.
Him gonna know. Him gonna know. Number 3, new invention. Leave it up to Jamaicans to make it a way where there are seemeth to be no way. And them said take it Anton fashion. We all are know that summer will come up and it is soon time for the annual NWC water lockoffs. Woo! But no need to fear, because the pump spray is here! See the promo pic here? So I guess that you just are fling the hose in the water buckle, you pump it, and water come out and spray in your face. Simple as that. Now let me break it down. Why the box put my girl a beard and Avan makeup? You tell me now. As she's a shower out of buckle pan fleek, all Avan chain. At the end of the day, you just have to give it up for Jamaicans and them creativity. Number 2, little pitney, dancehall queen. So some girl out the road just a dance and a bill of vibes, when out of nowhere this little girl, not even more than 6-year-old, run in and start for one clash them. People, you know, so at first I was trying to be decent and not be too judgmental, but when the little girl fling up her foot in the air and start to pat her pokey, I had to her say, Jesus, take the wheel. Then the crowd start to dash money upon her. No, sir. When I say little girl don't have a little talent, you know. But you see them skills there, for hide and show around our friends them, when our parents them are not around. Watch ya! Make sure was ever film mother pitney. And number 1 goes to Dexta Daps versus the Popo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Alright, stop it. So dancehall artist Dexta Daps got arrested by some police officers at Sangsa's airport on Monday. Word on the street is that he was being issued one ticket because he parking at the wrong place. Dexta, me know say a foreign he did a live for quite a little while, but you don't know about Jamaican police. Them cross. If any day a police officer ever stop me would have just humble myself, like gentle Jesus, meek and mild.
Yes, sir. No, sir. Thank you very much for this ride.
But no, not you, Dexta Daps. You start to tell them about them what's it not. All a fling with them on. Yes, the Jamaican police, some of them have a one approach. Whether or not you have a master's degree or just done baptized, you are gonna get the ragamuffin treatment. We are now go over to Reporter Berry for more details on the matter. Thank you, Dottie. It was indeed an incident which I'm sure no one was jealous over. It is reported that the artist was slapped with 2 charges, one for bodily harm to an officer and the other for indecent language. An eyewitness on the scene is reported to have heard one of the constables make the following statement. All when it's 6 men to jail, guess who makes 7? Now over to you, Dottie. Well, that's it, burritos. Thanks for watching another social media countdown. Make sure that you like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe if you haven't as yet. And oh, me have to do my little burrito big up. So no more for big up Risa McKenzie, Ruby Jules, Leonie Pride, Sammy, big up Bella Beauty 23, Pinky, big up Wayne Fit, Arc Credible, Breezy Bree 18, King Danound, Fluffy Erica, Yonisha, Optimistic Crush King, Critical Music, Horv the Cluster, The Bald and Beautiful, Gia Fadon, Dally Baby Chromas, and Khalid Ha. Take care and peace out.